Hello students, in this video I am here to establish example 12.15 and example 12.16 both given in page 259. Proceeding with example 12.15 given in the left hand part. Differentiate the function y that is equal to 3x square plus 16x cube with respect to x. This sum can easily be done by applying the u plus v form. In u plus v form, we have to differentiate the u form first and then the v part, and finally combining both by adding the plus sign in between. Moving to the solution, where y that is equal to given 3x square plus 16x cube, and as I discussed now, we have to apply the u plus v form, where the formula will be as below: y that is equal to u plus v. Now proving this formula, where dy by dx that is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So as I told previously, we have to first differentiate the u part, that is the power 2 will come to the base, so 3 into 2 will become 6x and the power 2 will reduce to 1, then adding the plus sign, then moving to the v part, where 3 will be multiplied with 16 will give 48x and the power will be reduced to 2. So the final answer will be 6x to the power 1 plus 48x square. This is the first hand part we have done with now. Now moving to the example 12.6 given in page 259. This is not the upgradation of the sum. This is exactly the same sum what we have dealt now, where 2x cube minus 6x. The change in this sum will be the u plus v form will now be as u minus v form. Now proving that one, now 2x cube will be differentiated as 3 into 2 will become 6x and the power 3 will be reduced to 2, and adding the minus sign, which is more important. Next, differentiating 6x will give to be as 6. So finally for this 12.16 the final answer will be 6x square minus 6. So from this solution we can take 6 as common and put x square minus 1 in the bracket part. This completes the sum. Thank you.